today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of an Outlook calendar in Google Calendar. If you've added your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar and want to make it easier to recognize at a glance, changing its color is a quick and useful customization. This can help you separate work events from personal plans, or simply make your calendar view cleaner and more organized. The nice part is that once you update the calendar color, all events connected to that calendar will instantly reflect the new color automatically. To begin, open Google Calendar in the Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the main calendar page where you can see your schedule and the left-hand sidebar. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can access your list of calendars more easily. On the left side of the screen, look for the section called Other Calendars. This is where added calendars usually appear, including imported or connected calendars like Outlook. Find the Outlook calendar you previously added. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have multiple calendars listed. Once you've found the Outlook calendar, move your mouse over its name. As you hover, a small menu icon with 3 dots will appear next to the calendar name. Click those 3 dots to open the Calendar Options menu. This menu gives you a few quick settings related to that specific calendar. From there, choose the color you want from the palette that appears. You can pick any available option that helps the calendar stand out in a way that makes sense for your workflow. As soon as you click a color, Google Calendar will update the appearance of that Outlook calendar right away. That means every event tied to it will switch to the new color instantly, making it easy to spot throughout your calendar. If you use several calendars at once, choosing distinct colors for each one can save time and reduce confusion when scanning a busy schedule. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in daily planning and visibility, and that's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar in Chrome, find your Outlook calendar under Other Calendars, click the 3-dot menu, and choose your preferred color. Your events will update immediately, giving you a cleaner and more personalized calendar view.